Hey everybody, it's Nufi from Nufi Loves Luxury. It's been a couple of weeks. I've been travelling and feeling a lot better. Fires are over. So yeah, I just thought I would do a video today. So my dogs are in here. I have a coffee. Good morning. And just let you know what I've been up to and what I've purchased lately. So thank you if you are joining me again, and if you are new to this channel, I'm just an Aussie chick and I like to buy luxury. I can't afford to buy luxury all the time, but I certainly try. These are my doggies in the background. Anyway, I like to look at makeup and I like to do all of, just chit chat really. Sorry about my hair. It's not too bad, I suppose. Oh my gosh, I nearly dropped my coffee. So I have this pink carpet in my office. I'm filming in my office at home. I work a lot from home. And I accidentally spilled a hot cup of coffee, and I did all of the different things to try and get it out. Couldn't. Had to pay somebody $180 to come and fix this little patch, but I had to because this carpet's fairly new and it's pink. It's probably a mistake, but it's pretty. Anyway, let's get on with today and let's talk about a few things. Okay. So I'm going to drink my coffee. So I've been to Bali, Indonesia. I've been there for the last 12 days. Before I left, there were the big heat and the fires, and we thought we had to evacuate. We didn't, luckily. We had another couple of scary days after that, but all is well. So that's the update on the last video. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. I did get out of my Louis bags and crazy woman, oh my God, my house is going to burn down. And that's the thing you should be worried about. Anyway, so before I left to go to Bali, and I'll talk about Bali and I might do another video on that, I did purchase something off eBay. It's Louis Vuitton, and I was super nervous, super nervous, because I don't actually purchase pre-loved. I think the only time I did in my memory is when I purchased something off Meredith, and everyone Meredith here, an Australian YouTuber, and I mean, of course she can be trusted, right? I'd purchase off her again. In fact, I tried, but anyway, so that was the only thing I ever purchased. So I was really scared, and look, it went to the authenticators, but I've been watching a lot of YouTubers saying that those authenticators aren't always fantastic. So I was like, oh. Anyway, but I got such a good deal on it, and I know that might have been a red flag, but I watched it, and it just wasn't selling. And here in Australia, we're having, interest rates are really high. It's very hard in the economy right now. So my feel is that a lot of people just can't sell their, luxury items because people just can't afford luxury items, or most people cannot afford it. So I watched this item, and I believe it to be authentic. And look, I know this item. I looked at it when it first came out. I kept looking at it. I've inspected this item, so I've opened it already. When I got home from Bali, it was sitting here waiting for me. And I believe it is authentic. I really love it. It's something from one of the collections a couple of years back, one of the original By the Pool collections. And I never end up buying anything from this particular collection, which I don't know why, because I really loved it. And then I bought everything from the next one. And anyway, so let me show you. I have it stuffed with things that I bought in Bali, which is a bit naughty, which I want to show you. So let me show you how it came. So it did come with the authentic box, and I mean, I know these boxes because obviously I do buy from the boutique all the time. So this is an authentic box. That's something, but I know it's easy, right? It's easy just to go get a box. I've got lots of them. Then it came in which I've never seen because I've never bought anything, an eBay dust bag. I have to say, it's quite a nice dust bag. I know it says eBay, which is not fancy, but I was sort of surprised with the quality of the dust bag. Then it came with this attached, which seems to be the authenticator's eBay. This item has been authenticated. It's like a couple of little cards. It just says authenticity guarantee, and it talks about what model it is. It just says brand, toiletry, clutch style, serial number, code, authenticate it, and the date. So I'll just show you that. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but for me, makes me feel at least better. It also came with the person that sold it, the original ribbon, and this is a ribbon because, again, I buy them from there. It came with the little card, which I know you could just take out of something you've purchased. Listen to me being all sort of crazy. And then it came with the original dust bag, which I know is also a real dust bag because, again, I have lots from the boutique, so I feel like this is authentic, and I've had a really good look at it. So, do you know I don't even know the name of this? I should have looked that up. Look at me doing my research before filming. Oh, sorry. Here we are. I'll stop talking. So it's I think it's the Toiletry 26. Oh, I don't know what it is. I should have really looked that up. I will look it up and I'll put it in the description below. So I had a really good look at the stitching. Let me show this to you. You may have seen this. I'm sure you have. There's a lot of these toiletries are very, very, very popular, but I just wanted it in this colour. I just really want it. I love these colours. I love the By the Pool collection. I think they're just beautiful and they're very me. So I'll just give you a close-up of, so if anybody thinks this is not authentic, please let me know, but I've had a really good look and I do believe it is. So if there's anything that's grabbing your attention, please let me know. But look, the stitching looks really good. Let me show you the beautiful inside. Really, it's fabulous. And what I like about these is it's, you can wipe it. Like I've got the original in the monogram toiletry pouch. I should have brought it with me. And I love that you can wipe the inside of that out. Like it's makeup, right? And I actually use all of my items. I'm never going to use this as a clutch. That's just weird to me. But each to their own. I mean, it'd be a pretty bag, but no, absolutely not. I want this. I actually do want this for makeup and toiletries, just to travel. I know that I have, this is my third, but I do use them, so I'm really excited to use this one. I've always wanted this longer length because I have the smaller round one. You would have seen anyway in past videos. If you haven't, go and check them out. But I love this colourway. I hope that shows up beautifully on the camera because, wowee, I love it. I just love it. So I'm feeling really good about this purchase. Yeah, it zips beautifully. I think it's stunning. So if anybody's got one of these and you think this looks any different, look, I've got it authenticated. All the original things are with it. The person that sold it to me never used it, so it looks absolutely brand new. It looks how I'd buy it from a boutique. So I'm pretty happy with that. And the good news is I ended up only paying, because I got a discount on eBay, not for this particular item, but because I bought other things on eBay, certainly not luxury things. So I think I paid about 850 Australian dollars, which I think this started off at $1,800 when I started watching it a really long time ago. So I feel sad for the person that, probably paid a lot for it and was trying to get their money back. But it was a really good deal, and yeah, I really love it, and I will absolutely cherish it and look after it and love it. So that's my toiletry. I was just looking at my handbag today that I'm using. It's very dirty, I have to say. I don't know how to clean it, but it's my marshmallow, which you would have heard me say I love with a passion. And the reason I'm showing you this is because this is one of the By the Pool collections. And I just wanted to show you the difference, like similar light, bright colours, but completely different pattern, yeah? How beautiful. I love these patterns. I love these colours. Just love them so much. Anyway, I want to talk to you about the other things that I purchased in Bali, but I think I'll do another upload so this is not so long. But tell me what you think of this. Do you like it? Do you believe that it is authentic? Look, I really do. I guess I'm always nervous because I hear terrible horror stories, but I think I'm really believe it is, and it's just stunning. So I'm going to finish up there. I'm going to do another video about Bali, and I'm going to insert some pictures and some stories about that. Now, I haven't, you might have watched another video that I've got a Louis Vuitton bag that's melted. I hadn't had a chance to get to Louis Vuitton and exchange that prior to going to Bali, so I hope to do that over the next couple of weeks. I think I've mentioned before, if you watch my channel, that Louis Vuitton's about an hour and a half, 2-hour drive one way, so it's, yeah, it's, and I'm really worried about them just saying bad luck, but anyway, I really need Meredith to go for me. Anyway, I'll give you an update on that once I have it, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you love this toiletry. I love it, and I'm going to do another video of all my toiletries, not that I have many, but just to show you the different ones and why they're so useful for me. Yeah, so I will see you all soon. Bye.